Let's discover baby animal names. Cat and kitten. Cat. Kitten. A baby cat is called a kitten. Dog and puppy. Dog. Puppy. A baby dog is called a puppy. Chicken and chick. Chicken. Chick. A baby chicken is called a chick. Duck and duckling. Duck. Duckling. A baby duck is called a duckling. Cow and calf. Cow. Calf. A baby cow is called a calf. Pig and piglet. Pig. Piglet. A baby pig is called a piglet. Sheep and lamb. Sheep. Lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Goat and kid. Goat. Kid. A baby goat is called a kid. Horse and foal. Horse. Foal. A baby horse is called a foal. Bear and cub. Bear. Cub. A baby bear is called a cub. Deer and fawn. Deer. Fawn. A baby deer is called a fawn. Kangaroo and Joey. Kangaroo. Joey. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. Elephant and calf. Elephant. Calf. A baby elephant is called a calf. Whale and calf. Whale. Calf. A baby whale is called a calf. Owl and owlet. Owl. Owlet. A baby owl is called an owlet. Eagle and eaglet. Eagle. Eaglet. A baby eagle is called an eaglet. Fox and kit. Fox. Kit. A baby fox is called a kit. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.